Life of a real estate investor. What are you gonna do? I show up at the first house to come look at it that I set up 2 days ago, and I get here and they're like, oh, sorry, that one's not available anymore. So we're off to the next one. And of course, it's pouring down rain. Beautiful time to look at the properties. But I'm not kidding. I really do like looking at properties in the rain, because then you can check for leaks. Good, not so sunny morning here in good old Cleveland. We are taking a look at this thing right behind me, 10401 Marlow Avenue in Cleveland. Let's go take a tour. All right, so overall, looks pretty good. Pretty common. Got some rotten wood on the outside. Need some cleaning up some chipping and peeling paint. I don't know what it is with their awning, but they love their awnings out here. The chimney looks pretty good. Got some weeds growing up. Probably got some rotten wood on the siding right there. So definitely a paint job. And let's see what we got around on this side. Alright. I think this thing needs new siding. There's a lockbox to get in. Got some peeling paint on the brick there. That awning's falling down. And of course we got some trash, busted up garage door. Yeah, that thing just needs a match. Front door, back of the house. Looks like a gas pipe just sticking out of the concrete there. That's interesting. Reasonable backyard space. Does have a door there. So we can stick our head in through here. Can we get in? No. We got an electric meter, so that's always a good sign. Full of lead paint. Yeah, this thing's gonna need full siding. But seriously, have you ever seen a pipe like that just sticking up out of the ground? It's new for me. Alright, front porch. Everything needs to be wrapped because this is nothing but lead paint everywhere, I'm sure. Well, that didn't work. Let's check the side door. That sounds open. Sounds like it's been hit before. Hello? Alright. That looks like it's been hit with a hammer or so. Hopefully nobody's in here, because that would suck. Alright. Let's take a tour. Alright, so we got our gas hookup. This thing is a hot mess. Got some newer windows, that's a good thing. Got some leaks in the ceiling, probably from a bathroom upstairs. Needs new flooring. Oh, goodness. Yeah, there's been water there. Could probably salvage that. Dining space, solid ceiling, old windows there. What we got here? Updated window. Updated window. Pretty decent living space. Yeah, this thing's a pretty hard reno. Alright, so got broken glass on that window. Window there. Let's take a look here. Bedroom number 1 at the top of the steps. Smoke detector chirping on me. Closet. It's got paneling up. It's not bad. What's that roof look like? Starting to chip away. Might be able to get a couple years out of it. Bedroom 2. Alright, so we got some crack in there. Pretty good sized closet in there. Let me get a better look at that shed now. Ooh, yeah, that thing's just gotta go. And over top of that kitchen was that full bath. It has some issues. That window still has not been replaced. Big space up here. Definitely needs windows up here. We got a fair amount of wood rot right here. That's definitely water getting in there. Storage inside there. Still needs a new window and pretty good sized closet. Let's see what that basement looks like. It's that awning on the side that's falling down. Not sure what's behind this door. So they closed that off, but they left the door here. It's just a solid wall there. That's interesting. This is our back door. Yep, back door. We're not gonna look out there. There's a water meter. It's actually the first house I've seen that actually has a water meter in text since I've been here. All right, so we definitely got water issues coming in. You can see the mold on that. A little mold in there. Gas meter. Ooh, look how bad that's supposed to be white. That's one dirty filter. See if we can pick an age up on this thing. Nope, no age. One thing I do like to see, they do have dampers here. That's those little knobs right there. And water heater, 23. So that's a good sign. Washer and dryer hookup. What's our electrical look like over here? Mostly, ooh, yeah. All that cloth wiring. Looks like there's some asbestos insulation on that. We got the old wiring here. All right, so this thing needs to be rewired, replumbed. Oh, and there's another filter on that side. That thing's just as dirty as the other side. All right, so this thing is a hot mess. I think this one's got too much work from me to want to tackle. What do you think? Drop me a comment. All right, so this is 10401 Marlow. It needs new electric, it needs new plumbing, it needs new flooring, it needs new paint, it probably needs a roof, it needs some windows. Even if I could get it for the right price, it's probably more headache than I want to take on, but overall, not a bad property, structurally pretty sound. It's just a lot of work that has to go into it to make it a real deal. So I think it's too much out to recoup in a timely manner. And when I say timely manner, I mean, I look to get my cash on cash return, my original investment back within 2 to 3 years. Let's go take a look at another one.